Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare the real Jamaican goat soup. If you have tried this soup before, comment down below and let me know how you prepare it. If you haven't tried it before, let me know if you will. Let's get right into the video. I will be preparing this soup but with a little twist. I have here with me some chopped carrots. I chopped them in different sizes. I have some Irish potato and some pumpkin. In another container I have corn. Normally they don't put corn in goat soup, but I'm a corn lover, so I had to put it in. Now I have a sliced banana, and this is the green one. Since I am using the skin and all on the banana, I had to wash it properly. Here I have some goat meat with me. I have goat skin, some goat foot and goat head. So this is all goat meat. The next thing I have is my all-purpose flour, and this I will make it into a dough so I can make my dumplings. For the seasonings, I have some Escallion, dried thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, jerk seasoning, and lastly the Maggi chicken noodle. So remember I mentioned goat soup with a twist. This is what I am talking about. So I added a little curry powder and my stove is on low because I don't want my curry powder to burn. Once it gets like that, I'm going to add the goat meat in and I'm going to pressure this for a few minutes. The goat meat is finished pressuring, so I am going to change the container and add it to a bigger pot. After adding this to the pot, I am just going in with all of my ingredients. Making the dough is pretty simple. All you need is flour, a pinch of salt, and some water. And you just want to knead that until it looks like this. This is the size dumplings that I will be making.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
After adding in the dumplings, I am going in with all of my seasonings and I will leave this to boil.
Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring. 'Cause I'm nervous.
The final thing that I will add to this soup is a little salt. There we have it, guys. This is pretty simple to make and it is tasty. If you haven't tried it, please do. Your family will love it. This is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.